Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to make my pink clay cold process soap recipe. It's not only an easy and fast recipe, but it also leaves your skin feeling beautiful and soft. So I hope that you enjoy it.
Did you really use a stick blender? Oh, I see what you're doing.
Well, our beautiful soap is done. Now, if you're a soap maker, you know that this is such a special moment, and you really never get tired of turning out your beautiful soaps. And this one, I think, although it's a very simple soap, I do think it's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to see this one cut. There we go. Now, I don't want to cut it from the top because it will drag all of the salt through. So for this particular one, I'm going to cut it from the side. And you can see we've got the combing on the top, and the combing has left a little pattern on the top here. This darker area will dry to the lighter colour as it actually dries out. Ping! It's a nice even colour all of the way through. I would love to know if you make clay soaps yourself, and if you do, what kind of clay do you use? We've obviously used pink in this particular recipe, but you may use the white kaolin, or you might use the green or the yellow or the blue, or all sorts of other clays. I'd love to know what kind of clays you like to use as well. Those look really, really lovely. I'm very, very happy with those soaps. Of course, clay is such a lovely natural cleanser. It's just a very gentle exfoliator, but it helps pull all of those impurities from our skin, and it leaves the skin just beautifully soft. So it is an ingredient that I absolutely love. I do hope that you've enjoyed this video with me today. I do hope that you have enjoyed watching the video with me today. If you would like to, well, I've hoped that you have had as much fun as I have making this soap. It's been great hanging out with you today. I'm going to pop 2 videos at the end that I hope that you enjoy. And if you would like to come and join us on another day, why not hit the subscribe button? And I look forward to seeing you on another video with us really soon. Bye bye for now.